September 3rd. Quick update on the buckwheat planting here. We had some more rain the last couple days, so things are really responding. This stuff is already throwing flowers out. The growth explosion has been tremendous. That goes for everything. Everything's blown up since the rain. We really needed the rain. I'll get a clip from a few days ago. It's quite a difference in growth, and I guess I got to charge my battery. September 4th. Oh, the smell was wonderful. I wish I could share some smell-o-vision with you. Honeybees. Wasps. Flies. Just absolutely buzzing with activity. See what I mean? Every kind of pollinator you can imagine, stuff I've never even seen before. Little, big, bumblebees, honeybees, flies, wasps, hornets. And again, if you missed the video where I was talking about this, in Maine, this was the #1 flavor winner for honey. Japanese knotweed. Go figure. Just thought I'd get a clip. Go ahead. Make the run. Make the run. Less dramatic about it today. This is that lower block. Buckwheat and rye. Drilled in with a tiller up here. And you can see where the tiller belt broke. You can literally see where I stopped tilling. But my friend Brad, that's what I was trying to say. My friend Brad from Grow the Farm Up YouTube channel, I'll throw a link right here, says that when he drills, or when he seeds, he's found he can broadcast seed on top of soil with really good success. And so I haven't been able to get the tiller belt, and I just noticed last night or the night before, we have germination of the buckwheat in here. And we've had good rain, so that helps. I'm going to hold off and see how this block performs against the block that was drilled in. And while we're here, quick, I'll just show you this whole upper section down to the reflector post, the orange post in the corner there, was all worked in high nutrition in previous years. This has been sort of abandoned for a couple of years, and this was most recently worked with tomatoes, primarily tomatoes, and good foliar feeds. Interesting just to look at the differences between the germination rates and the growth types and that sort of stuff. Anyway, just wanted to get a clip of this and catch it, because this buckwheat grows so fast. It's like you look at it and it's germinating one day, and the next it's headed for flower. Alright, we'll keep doing updates on it. I'll leave you with a shot of the sweet corn that's finished, the corn that just finished, and what's coming on. Came through and did another foliar feed last night on everything. Included the buckwheat and sunflowers in that, and even the new buckwheat planting, as well as a nice heavy targeted feed on tomatoes, which are absolutely blowing up. We're going to have lots of tomatoes coming on shortly. In this late afternoon sun, you can really see that comparison between the tilled and untilled soil and the reduction versus oxidation effect. I'm going to dig back through the last few days' video, and we'll take a look at just how fast this buckwheat has grown too. Just really amazes me how fast this can take over a block. So let's just take a look at the speed of growth here real quick. August 19th, 2020. I'm going to dose him with some irrigation, and I irrigated the upper part of this last night. Showed that in a video uploaded previous to this. And just the lower edge of that newly establishing buckwheat block got missed by about like 2 feet. So just wanted to get another shot of this buckwheat. This is the new planting in the upper block, and this is the older planting with the sunflowers. You can see the sunflowers are popping up out of here, and alright, well, that's a quick tour and a little bit more about my cover crops and how they're doing. Thanks for watching the Pharmacy Seeds Network.